Hey guys, welcome to Beach Bum University's YouTube channel. This is where we're all about helping you build your dream lifestyle with affiliate marketing. Now, I'm not going to give you any fluff. I'm not going to tell you you're going to make 50 grand your first month out. We're not about that. We're going to give you the real information, the real roadmap to make money in affiliate marketing. I started affiliate marketing 10 years ago. At the time, I lived in Detroit. I rehabbed houses for real estate investors, and it was the furthest thing from the beach bum lifestyle. But I started a little website for real estate, and then I threw an affiliate product on there that I had bought and started to get some sales on it. And I thought, man, if I could just amplify this, then I wouldn't have to work in the cold anymore. I wouldn't have to work for other people anymore. I could move wherever I wanted, the beach, the mountains, another country, a tropical paradise, wherever, and have my income follow me wherever I went. So that's what I did. That's what I set out to do. And through trial and error, I figured it out. I want to help you get there quicker than I did. All right. I don't want it to take 10 years for you. I want it to take months for you so you can get where you want to go. Now, affiliate marketing is really pretty easy. You find a niche, something that you either have some knowledge about or something that you're really interested in, and you start creating content around that. And it can be written content, it can be video content, it can be whatever, right? But you just start making content where people that also have that interest start consuming that content. And then you go out and find affiliate products that complement what you're talking about. Maybe things that you've used, maybe new products on the market that are really popular or whatever. And you sign up to be an affiliate for those and you start sharing those links in your content. And there's different ways to deliver that, but that's what you do. You start making content about your niche, you start adding some affiliate links in there, and you start making money. Now, there's a lot of other things that can go into this, right? Like building landing pages or bridge pages to the affiliate offer where you can collect email addresses so you can continue to market other products and different things like that. But the process is very easy. Most people struggle the most with the traffic. How do I get traffic to my offer? Okay, some people have problems with building a web page or whatever, right? But on this channel and in the Beach Bum University Facebook group, we're going to talk about those struggles and get you past them quicker than I got past them because I had to figure it out. I was all by myself. I'm like, how do I do this? I don't know how to do this. So I would do something and then I would have to wait 30 days, 60 days to see if I noticed the difference in like SEO traffic or YouTube videos or whatever I was doing. But I want to help you get there quicker. I want to help you go through this fast so you can start making money and you can start designing the lifestyle you want. That's what Beach Bum University is all about. So if you are serious about affiliate marketing, and you want to be with other people that are also serious about it, follow my channel, right? Click subscribe, like this video, and then hop over to Facebook. I'll leave a link in the description and join my Facebook group. I would love to have you. I would love to network with you, mentor you as much as I can, and really build a community of like-minded individuals that really want to make money online, be affiliate marketers, and design their perfect life. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. See you in the Facebook group. Talk to you soon.